all of you, welcome to another episode of Science at Home. I'm Shin, your resident social distancing scientist from Penang. So today we will be doing an experiment that is related to energy. Energy is something invisible that you cannot see with your own eyes, but you can actually feel them because energy is all around you. For example, light energy, sound energy, and also heat energy. So today we will be using very simple materials such as the water to do our experiments. Before we dive into the experiment, I would like to tell you a personal story. I still remember when I was 5, my parents took me and my brother to travel. So I was very excited. Before we left the house, I took a sip of water from the cup. And I just left the cup on the table. It's not until 1 week later when we returned home, I discovered something strange happened. I saw that the water inside the cup has magically disappeared. So what actually happened? Did somebody, something, or someone actually went into our house and drank the cup of water? I was very scared back then. Could it be some spiritual entity? I didn't know, but now I know. It's because of science. Water can change its phase by energy flow. When I say energy flow, it can flow both ways. So water can absorb energy and also release energy. From where? From the environment. So when it absorbs energy, it will make the environment cold. But when it releases energy, it makes the environment hot. Ice can turn into water in a process called melting. So melting is a process whereby the ice will absorb heat from the environment. For example, if I put the ice in my palm, I feel very cold because it is sucking out heat from my hand. And then as I squeeze really hard, the water will drip down from my hand because the ice is already melting. Water can also absorb heat and turn into water vapor into a process called boiling or evaporation. So in the boiling process, it absorbs heat from the fire of the stove. Let's take a look at the reverse process where water releases heat. This is called condensation process whereby water vapor releases heat when it touches the cold metal cover, and then it will form tiny water droplets which is in a liquid phase. This is also how clouds form in mid-air. When we put water into freezer, we will get ice after 30 minutes. The water will release heat to the freezer and become solid ice. For those people who are wearing glasses like me, have you encountered this situation? When you drink hot water from a cup, your spectacles becomes blurry because of condensation. When you leave a cup of cold drink on the table, after a while, you will see some water start to form at the side of the cup. This is because water vapor start to condense on the cup. Water vapor release energy in the process, causing the cold drink to become warmer. The candle absorbs heat from the flame and melts into liquid. Once it starts to cool down and release heat, it turns back into solid wax. No matter it is water on the floor or clouds in the sky, they are all related to change of phase of matter and also energy flow. I hope you enjoyed this video today, and don't forget to like the video and share it with your friends. Also subscribe to the channel. I will see you again in the next video. Bye!